All you have to decide is what to do with the time that is given to you. You won't get to choose how long you're here. You won't know how many sunrises you have left. You don't get to rewind, pause, or skip the hard chapters. All you get is now. This moment, this breath, and most people waste it, waiting for the perfect timing, for clarity, for permission. They wake up in lives that don't feel like theirs, surrounded by people who don't really see them, and wonder why nothing ever changes. But time doesn't ask if you're ready. It moves, with or without you. So ask yourself, if this is the only life you get, what are you going to do with it? Who do you want to be when no one's watching? What are you building? And why does it matter? Because one day, this time you're living in will become the memory someone else holds. And all that will be left are the choices you made and the moments you were brave enough to really live.